Welcome back, everybody. My name is Fausto and you're watching Fausto Home Living, and I'm going to teach you how to make the best soil for your garden. Sit back, watch, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's get started. Now, this is what you call good soil. This is actually, now after we basically use the rotiller, this is all the chicken poop that you have right here, and it makes such a great compost. This is what we're going to use to make our garden. And what's nice is you take all this stuff and, you know, everything you have, the leftover foods, whatever, and then just rotill it. And every year, so if you really want best soils to make a garden, this is it. If you can't get something like this, you can always go to your local Home Depot or your Lowe's, and they do have, you know, soil that you could use. But it's really recommended that you do get some type of manure, because that natural organic soil will make your plants flourish, and that's what you want. But this is what you're basically looking for, a really nice, soft soil. All right, now you saw me mulch it and turn the soil around. Now I got all that chicken poop mixed in there over a year of basically just churning and mixing with the soil. Now it's like a really good, great topsoil that now is gonna help our garden flourish. So this is more of our compost. Now we're gonna dig it up, put it in our wheelbarrow, we're gonna mix it into the garden, and then we're gonna make magic. Inside. Go, 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 go. Come on, Oreo. Get inside. Come on, Oreo. All right, if you don't have the luxury to even have a chicken coop, but you want the chicken poop, but you can't get it, well, maybe you might be able to look around and ask and say, hey, go to some farmer and say, would you mind if you could sell me some of your scrappings, you know, all the chicken poop inside their coop. So we're gonna show you what it's gonna look like. We're gonna scoop some out, and we're gonna show you how to actually, you know, let it sit and get it ready for maybe next year you need it. But I'm gonna show you where you can get it. So let's go scoop some out. All right, so we're inside the chicken coop. You can see this is actually a pretty nice coop. We got plenty of poop in here from them from sleeping the overnight. We're gonna scoop this up. We're gonna put it right into our pail. You can see all these little lunks in here. They're all mixed in here. It's nice and dry. But basically, this is what you really need to kind of make your nice little garden. Now, you could save it. You could put it inside a, you know, in a garbage pail. Or if you do have a chicken coop, and let's say you want to do what I'm doing, what I'll do is I'll take this out and I'll just dump it right inside their run, grind it up in there, and just let it sit there. So I don't throw, this is like liquid gold. You don't want to throw this out. This is good stuff. All right, we're going to drop this in here. All that beautiful fertilizer. And we're gonna mix it. And that's all we gotta do. We're all done. And we're finished. Okay. All right, everybody, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed how to make the perfect soil. My name is Fausto from Fausto Home Living. And listen, don't forget, make sure you subscribe to us. Make sure you click that little bell and alert to us. And if you have any comments, just put the comments. I read that. I will tell you and help you. I want you guys to enjoy life, enjoy making the best garden as possible. So just once again, don't forget, Fausto Home Living.